You guys, is the creator account gone? About a week ago, I went and logged onto TikTok and I went to manage my account because your girl has a TikTok Business Pro account, and I'm not gonna lie, I've had thoughts lately about switching over to the creator account because missing out on those sounds really sucks. And it was gone. I've already had a bunch of you guys here on my channel experiencing the same thing and going over and commenting on my video where I talk about what TikTok Pro account to start with. First of all, thank you guys so much for commenting. I love you all so much. And today I am here to answer all of your burning questions about the TikTok Creator Pro account. So I'm actually in a Facebook group that is centered all around the topic of TikTok, and someone actually posted this exact question in the discussion saying, hey, has the creator account gone? Lots of question marks. It's now just personal or business, and business isn't allowing me to all the actual decent music. And I was like, oh my gosh, I am totally experiencing that same problem and have that question. And then I saw someone comment this, personal account is now creator account. And I was like, well, that would answer my question. But I always want to make sure that I have the most accurate information before I hop on here and share anything with you guys. So it was time to do some research. And spoiler alert, it did not go well. So I literally spent an entire week doing hundreds of Google searches trying to see if there was anything online on this topic or if anyone had made a video on it. I even ended up sending TikTok a few emails, and let me tell you guys, all I got was crickets. And I was honestly giving up hope that I was gonna find any actual information on this topic from a reputable source. And then I received an email notification and got the TikTok August newsletter, and at the very top of the email, it said this: TikTok strives to bring helpful tools to our community of creators, and as part of this commitment, we've launched creator tools for personal accounts. You can now find all of the creator tools you love, like Analytics, Creator Portal, Promote, Q&A, and all of your other current creator tools and programs in the Creator Tools section. As part of this update, creator accounts will no longer be available in the TikTok app, with personal accounts and business accounts remaining as the two account options. If you currently have a creator account, it will be converted to a personal account with no change in your current access to creator tools. This change will simply reduce steps in assessing tools to help creators get the most out of their time on TikTok and does not impact your video or account performance. We hope this update simplifies the way you use creator tools, and if you have any questions, please let us know. So there you guys go, right from the mouth of TikTok. The TikTok Creator Pro account is now the personal account. Now, if you guys are still confused about the different features in each of the accounts, the TikTok business account and the TikTok personal account that is now the creator account, I would still highly recommend going and checking out this video right here, because it's still gonna have a lot of relevant information. Even though the creator account is now gone and it's called a personal account, there's still a lot of information in that video that will help you out knowing the distinction between the two. But you know, I wanna make sure that I help you guys out as much as possible. And before TikTok made this switch, the biggest downside to having a personal account was you didn't have access to analytics. But now you should be able to have access to analytics if you are on a personal account, and you should also have no restrictions on the music you are allowed to use on the app. Now, when it comes to TikTok making changes or updates ever, just remember that TikTok's not gonna roll out this feature to everybody at the same time. So when it comes to creating changes on the platform for all of their creators, some may have it earlier than others, but just know if you don't have this yet on your account, it's coming. Just be prepared for it. And just know that when TikTok makes a change, not everyone gets it at the same time. So keep that in mind, not only for this update, but for any other updates that TikTok makes on the app. Now, what I would love to do, and I'm actually so excited about this, you guys, I would love to actually test out this new feature. And I want to go ahead right now in front of you guys and switch over to a personal, aka now creator, from my business account and see what's up. Now, two things I'm going to look at when we do this little experiment. One is I want to make sure that I can still add a link into my bio. Now, I'm not sure if this has changed, but if the personal account still has the same stipulations as the creator account, beforehand, if people were on the creator account, they could not add a link in their bio until they had at least 1,000 followers. So unfortunately, today I can't really test to see if that's still a thing, because I'm over 8,000 followers and I just want to give a shout out to all of my followers. I'm so grateful to all of you for supporting me. I just love you guys. Thank you so much for your support and love. Anyways, I don't know if that's different. So if you are on the creator/personal account and you have less than 1,000 followers and you cannot add a link in your bio, that might be why. But if not, great, go ahead and add that link in bio and life is good. And two, I want to see if I have access to more music, because with me being on the business account, you are restricted to the music you can use because they copyright it. So I want to see, by switching over, if I can use sounds that I wasn't allowed to use before. Let's do this, you guys. Okay, so if I go ahead and open up TikTok, here I am on good old TikTok. I'm going to go over to my profile and go up to, it used to be 3 little dots in the top right hand corner, but now it's 3 little bars. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and click on manage account. And you can see right here, it's either delete account or switch to a personal account. So I'm gonna go ahead, click on that. If you switch to your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You will still be responsible for any violations you received on your business account. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch anyways. So I switched. That was really fast. Okay, so actually what I didn't do before was, beforehand, obviously I still had restrictions to music. So right now, the link in my bio is now gone. So I wonder if I go into bio, click add website, let's go ahead and grab my link here. Let's copy this, head back over to TikTok. Can I add this link in? Okay, let's click save. Okay, so I was still able to add my link back in my bio. It took it off when I switched, but I am good to go ahead and add that in. So if you guys need to do that, you just go ahead and over to edit profile and click on website, and you can go ahead and add it in there. So now let's go ahead and check out these sounds. So if I scroll down here, these are my saved TikToks that I love. This TikTok right here with 2.2 million views. This is the Basement Gang. I love these guys. These guys are so much fun to watch. They just do all these fun dances. Like, I wish I was friends with these guys. But if I click on their TikTok, they were using the sound Fergalicious. And I'm not gonna have it played right now, so I don't get copyrighted here on YouTube. But beforehand, I wasn't able to use this song, and I'm curious. Yep, I can use it now. So beforehand, if I clicked on this, little circle down here in the bottom right, that's where you can go ahead and click to use sounds from other TikToks that you see. And right here underneath where it says Fergie, it says cannot use this sound, it's copyrighted. But I can go ahead and use that music. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. So like beforehand, if I had wanted to use the song Fergalicious on my TikToks, I wouldn't have been able to because of me being on the business account. Now, obviously not all sounds are restricted on the business account. You still do get access to a lot of music, but the trending sounds or the ones that are really popular, you will not get access to if you are on the business account. There you go. I switched for you guys to a personal account / creator account, and I'm now not on the business account anymore. Now, I've definitely heard rumors in the past that if you were on a business account or personal account, obviously back before they made this switch, if you went over to the creator account, people saw a decrease in views, but I honestly think that was just a little bit of a rumor. And so I'm gonna take it with a grain of salt and test it and see. So post my TikToks, give it a good amount of time to see and test it, and I can obviously let you guys know, update it in the comments, but I'm so excited for this. Now, before I go ahead and end this video, which is so sad, I wanna make sure that I give you guys some suggestions. And that's one, either go ahead and sign up for the TikTok creator newsletter, because they're gonna make a bunch of updates going forward and you don't wanna miss those updates. So I'll go ahead and link a link in the description below for you guys to find that TikTok newsletter. You can sign up and they'll email it to you, I assume, once a month. But you can also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, where I try and give my people updates on TikTok and what's going on and answering your questions as best I can. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. That was a pretty good segue there, I am not gonna lie. And number 2. those. When it comes to my recommendation for what account to start with, if you are just getting started with TikTok, you're there, getting ready to create your account, this is just my recommendation and my opinion. If you're just starting out and you've either got a really solid brand or you have a business that is thriving and that is solely what you're gonna focus your TikTok on, I would go ahead and start with a business account. But also, one of the other reasons why I recommend starting with a business account is because for so many people, being able to add a link in your bio is a really big deal. And again, if the personal account still has the same stipulations as the creator account has, and you're not able to add a link in your bio until you hit 1,000 followers, starting with the business account is a great option because you can go ahead and add that link in bio right away. Now, if they don't have that option or they don't have that limitation, I guess, I would go ahead and start with the personal account. But if there is that limitation, start with the business. Once you hit 1,000 followers, I would go ahead and switch over to the personal account / creator account. You're still getting access to analytics there, and I don't think the difference is that big in the analytics, but obviously I can still let you guys know after I test this out. But being able to access sounds is huge, and there's still a lot of creators and business owners that I follow personally that have creator accounts, because I knew that since I was on the business account, I went to go use their sounds and I did not have access to those. So they were still on the creator account despite still promoting their business on TikTok. So just keep that in mind. Being able to add a link in the bio on TikTok is really a great resource if you are selling anything or you want to connect people to your other socials, things like that. So if you want to be able to add a link in your bio right away and you're not able to, I would switch over to the business account starting out. It is free to switch between accounts for right now. And then once you hit that 1,000 followers or you can add a link, then switch over to personal. But if you are good to add a link in your bio right away, start with the personal. I know that was a little bit of a rant, but I hope it helps all my people out there who are just starting out with TikTok and don't know what account to start with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hoped this helped answer your questions. And if you still have other questions that I didn't cover in this video, don't forget to drop them down in the comments below. I do my best to read and respond to every single comment. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, it really does help support my channel and everything that I'm doing, and it helps me make more free content for you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.